Hello, everyone. Welcome to King English class.
Today, we play the English vocabulary guessing game. Look and choose the correct word. Let's start now. Which one flies in the sky and has wings? Correct answer, bird. Super! Birds flap their wings and soar high into the blue sky. What animal lives in water and has fins? Correct answer, fish. Splendid! Fish swim and breathe underwater with their fins and gills. What do bees make? Correct answer, honey. Sweet job! Bees work hard to make golden, yummy honey. Which color is made by mixing red and blue? Correct answer, purple. Yay, red plus blue makes purple, the color of magic and creativity. Which animal has a long trunk? Correct answer, elephant. Wow! Elephants use their trunks to eat, drink, and play with water. Which one gives us light during the day? Correct answer, the sun. Yes, the bright sun lights up our world every morning. What do you use to see things around you? Correct answer, eyes. Great job! Your eyes help you see everything. Colors, toys, and friends. What animal says meow? Correct answer, cat. Meow! You got it! Cats love to purr and cuddle. What animal says woof woof? Correct answer, dog. Woof woof. Dogs are our friendly, playful pets. Which fruit is yellow and monkeys love it? Correct answer, banana. Yum! Monkeys can't resist tasty bananas. And maybe you can't either. What helps you hear music? Correct answer, ears. Fantastic! Your ears help you enjoy songs, laughter, and all lovely sounds. What do you wear on your feet? Correct answer, shoes. Awesome! Shoes keep your feet clean and comfy when you walk or run. Which one shines in the sky at night? Correct answer, the moon. That's right. The moon glows beautifully in the dark night sky. Which one shines in the sky at night? Correct answer, the moon. That's right. The moon glows beautifully in the dark night sky. What do you drink when you're thirsty? Correct answer, water. Perfect. Water keeps you fresh, strong, and healthy every day. What do you use to write on paper? Correct answer, pencil. Great thinking. You use pencils to draw, write, and create stories. What is the opposite of big? Correct answer, small. Excellent. An ant is small, but an elephant is big. What do you use to brush your teeth? Correct answer, toothbrush. Awesome. Brushing keeps your smile shiny and healthy. What is the opposite of hot? Correct answer, cold. Brr, cold is the opposite of hot. Just like ice cream versus soup. What do you wear on a cold day? Correct answer, jacket. Nice choice. Jackets keep you warm and cozy when it's chilly. What do you use to open a door? Correct answer, hand. Great! Your hands help you open doors, wave, and high-five your friends.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.